is Armisha Adela binti Azlan and you can call me Misha. Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today, we will present 3 common defects in composite laminate and the inspection method used to detect them. Composite materials are widely used in industries such as aerospace, automotive, marine, and construction because they are lightweight, strong, and resistant to corrosion. However, defect can occur during manufacturing or while the component is in service. This defect can reduce the strength, stiffness, and durability of the composite structure. Therefore, inspection is important to detect damage early and prevent serious failure. The first defect is delamination. Delamination is the separation between 2 or more layers of the composite laminate. It is commonly caused by impact damage, poor bonding during manufacturing, fatigue loading, or excessive stress. Delamination reduces the strength, stiffness of the laminate and may lead to complete failure if it is not repaired. Common inspection methods include ultrasonic testing, tape testing, and infrared thermography.
Here is the example of defect.
The second defect is dry spots, also known as dry fiber. Dry spots are areas where the fiber are not fully wetted or covered by resin. This defect usually happens during the manufacturing process.
Thank you, Misha. Let me continue this. Unwetted fiber area can be caused by insufficient resin, poor resin flow during infusions, trapped air, vacuum leakage, and incorrect fiber to resin ratio or improper rolling during hand layout. This defect creates weak bonding between the fiber and resin. As a result, the composite becomes weaker and may absorb the moisture. Unwetted fiber area can be detected using visual inspection, ultrasonic testing, tape test, and microscopic examinations. Here is the example of defect. Next, the third and last defect is fiber breakage. Fiber breakage is the breaking of reinforcing fiber in a composite laminate. Since fiber carry most of the load, this damage greatly reduces the strength of the resin. And fiber breakage occurs when the reinforcing fiber inside the composite laminate are broken. It can be caused by high impact, excessive tensile or bending loads, repeat fatigue loading, or manufacturing defects. Since the fiber carries more of the load in the composite material, fiber breakage greatly reduces the strength and stiffness of the laminates. If the damage is not repaired, it can cause a structural failure. Fiber breakage can be inspected using visual inspection, ultrasonic testing, X-ray radiography, and acoustic emission testing. Here is the example of defect. This is the table comparison of the 3 defects based on their cause, effect, and inspection method. Delamination involves a separation between the layers. Unwetted fiber area involves insufficient resin around the fiber, with fiber breakage involving damage to the reinforcing fiber. Each defect requires a suitable inspection method for early detection. Here is the example of defect. In conclusion, delamination, unwetted fiber area, and fiber breakage can reduce the strength, safety, and service life of composite structure. Early detection using non-destructive testing or NDT helps identifying defect without damaging the component. Proper resin application, correct manufacturing procedure, regular inspection, and timely repair are important to maintain composite performance.
That's all from us.
Thank you.
Thank you.